Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're bringing you the best camping tent for your next adventure. The ASFANES 4-person waterproof camping tent. If you're looking for a reliable, easy to set up, and truly waterproof shelter for camping, hiking, fishing, or even backyard fun, this one's got everything you need and more. Let's dive in. First off, what makes the ASFANES tent stand out is its perfect balance between size, portability, and performance. The dimensions are 84 inches long, 60 inches wide, and 48 inches high. That's plenty of room for two adults to lie down comfortably side by side, and even enough space to stash your gear. Whether you're a couple heading out for a hike or a solo adventurer looking for extra comfort, this tent will suit you perfectly. Despite its spacious interior, the ASFANES tent is surprisingly light, weighing in at just about 5.6 pounds. That makes it incredibly easy to carry in a backpack, and the compact pack size of 17.3 by 4.9 by 5.5 inches means it won't take up much space in your trunk or on your back. Now, let's talk about setup. This tent was designed for simplicity. You'll find the instructions right in the storage bag, and the whole thing can be set up in just 3 to 5 minutes. That means less time fumbling with poles and more time enjoying your surroundings. Whether you're setting up camp on a mountain trail or in your backyard for a spontaneous overnight stay, the ASFANES makes it easy. In terms of materials, ASFANES really doesn't cut corners. The tent is made with 190T polyester, which is treated with a PU 1500mm waterproof coating. That gives it excellent splash resistance and even some UV protection. It's also got a PE base, strong enough to withstand rough ground and keep moisture out, so you're not waking up in a puddle after a rainy night. An integrated floor mat adds extra space and helps block groundwater completely. Ventilation is another area where this tent shines. You've got double-layer mesh windows on the sides and a skyview roof with B5 mesh. There's also a ground vent to help airflow and reduce condensation. The large D-shaped door makes getting in and out easy, even in the dark. And the overall dome shape provides wind resistance, making it suitable for various outdoor conditions. What's also worth noting is the aesthetic. The army green color doesn't just blend into natural surroundings, it adds to the outdoor experience. It's fresh, it's peaceful, and it feels like you're really part of nature. Now, ASFANES takes pride in quality. They're serious about their production process, and every tent goes through a strict inspection before it leaves the factory. But if for some reason something goes wrong, you're covered by a strong after-sales guarantee. If you receive a defective product, they'll replace or refund it. And if you have questions, their support promises to get back to you within 24 hours. So, to wrap it up, the ASFANES 4-person camping tent offers an incredible value at just $52.99. It's waterproof, windproof, lightweight, and easy to set up, perfect for outdoor lovers of all kinds. Whether you're planning a weekend in the woods or a night under the stars in your own backyard, this tent delivers reliable shelter and comfort. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on evaluations of gear that makes your life better. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.